Today, we will show you how to pair your compatible inReach satellite communicator to the Garmin Earthmate smartphone application and activate an inReach subscription. To complete this process, you will need a compatible Apple or Android smartphone, your inReach satellite communicator, and a valid debit or credit card for activating service. First, you will need to download the Garmin Earthmate app to your compatible smartphone. We will be using an Apple iPhone, but the process is similar on compatible Android devices. Open the Garmin Earthmate app once the download is complete. Then, select Next. Agree to the End User License Agreement and select Next. If you already have a Garmin account, select Sign In. If you do not have a Garmin account, select Create Account and enter the required information. Then select Next. The Earthmate app will request access to your smartphone's location. Allow location access. Next, you'll be prompted to enable cloud storage. Enabling cloud storage allows your data, such as tracks, waypoints, and contacts, to be backed up to your Garmin account. If data backup isn't needed, select Not Now. You will now be prompted to download offline maps. For more information and steps to download, see our FAQ. Now, you're ready to pair your inReach device. In this video, we will be using an inReach Mini, but the process is similar on other Earthmate-compatible devices. For a list of compatible Earthmate devices, see our FAQ. First, power on your inReach Mini by pressing and holding the power button at the top. If you are prompted to activate, select Skip for now. From the home screen, press OK to open the main menu. Scroll down and select Setup, followed by Bluetooth. In the Earthmate app, select the device pairing icon. Then select your device model from the list of compatible devices. On your inReach Mini, select Pair Device. This will put the device into Bluetooth pairing mode. In the Earthmate app, select Connect. Once your inReach Mini is recognized, select it to complete the Bluetooth pairing. Now, you're ready to activate a subscription. Select Activate Now. You'll be presented with a list of available subscription plans. Select the View Details drop-down to see additional information on that plan. Tap Select this plan under the option that best fits your needs. The next screen provides information on the SOS feature of your device. Once you've reviewed this information, tap Next. Next, you will have the option to add a search and rescue insurance plan. This is not required and can be added later. For help purchasing a search and rescue plan, see our video. Select Next or Skip to continue with your activation. Select the checkbox to acknowledge automatic renewal. If search and rescue insurance was added, you will also be prompted to enter the names of the insured individual and beneficiary. Once you're finished, select Next. Review the terms and conditions, then select Accept and Continue. Enter the required billing information, then select Next. If your account information is the same as your billing information, you can select Same as Billing Info. Then, enter any emergency notes. Emergency notes are any information you'd like Garmin Response to know when SOS is activated. Select Next to continue. You'll now be prompted to enter emergency contacts. These are the individuals who will be notified in the event of an emergency. You can add up to 2 emergency contacts. Select Next. Review and confirm the plan you've chosen, as well as your account information and emergency contacts. Each field will have an edit option if you need to make changes. Enter your payment information, then select Complete Activation. Allow the activation process to complete. This can take several minutes. Once processing is complete, you will need to confirm the active plan on your handheld. From the home screen, Scroll down to the Activation menu and press OK. Press the OK button until the device displays Sending Activation. Now, go outside with a clear view of the sky. Allow it time to connect to satellites and successfully confirm your subscription. Once the device has confirmed activation, you're all set to use your inReach satellite communicator for tracking, messaging, and more. And that's it. Thanks for watching. For more help, please subscribe to our Garmin Support YouTube channel and visit support.garmin.com.